This is an autonomous AI agent actively writing and structuring React code directly within a local development environment. Achieving this level of autonomy requires significant processing power, as this specific NVIDIA model utilizes 550 billion total parameters. The primary advantage is the 1 million token context window, which allows the agent to ingest and analyze an entire project codebase simultaneously. Accessing enterprise-grade models of this scale typically requires high-cost API subscriptions or expensive specialized hardware. We can bypass these obstacles using Naga AI, a proxy service that provides unlimited free API access for this specific architecture. By combining these specific tools, an enterprise-grade AI assistant becomes fully operational within your local workflow at zero cost. To begin, ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed, as the agent functions as an integrated extension. Open the Extensions Marketplace, search for Klein, and click Install to initialize the agent framework. Once the extension is active, open the Klein sidebar panel and locate the Models drop-down menu to begin the configuration. Because the model is too large for standard consumer hardware, we must route the API calls through a third-party proxy. Navigate to naga.ac and click Sign In to register an account using your Discord or email address. At this point, the agent is installed locally, but it remains dormant until a verified communication bridge is established. The setup often fails if users assume the proxy requires its own proprietary provider setting. Open the API Provider drop-down menu and scroll past the native vendor options to the custom settings. You must select OpenAI-compatible. Because the proxy uses this universal schema, choosing a native provider like Anthropic will cause formatting errors and prevent the agent from responding. Next, identify the base URL field on the Naga model page and click the clipboard icon to copy the server address. Paste that string into the corresponding field in VS Code, ensuring you do not include any trailing slashes or extra spaces. Return to the dashboard to retrieve the exact model identifier string and click the copy icon. Map this identifier into the model ID field in your agent settings to finalize the backend routing. The editor is now calibrated to communicate with the proxy server, but the connection requires a unique credential to validate requests. All requests must be authenticated using a unique cryptographic key. On the dashboard, navigate to the API key section and click Create New API Key. To maintain unlimited access, leave the credit limit parameter completely blank before clicking Create. Paste the generated key into the Secure Storage field in VS Code and click Done. The communication bridge is now authorized and ready for deployment without usage caps. To test a pipeline, type Hello into the agent chat box and press Enter. The initial handshake involves a cold start delay of roughly 7 to 8 seconds, though subsequent responses will be faster. The successful load message in the terminal confirms that the model is responding and the environment is active. You have now integrated a massive, free million-token AI model directly into your local development environment.